In the vibrant heart of Kingston, Jamaica, there lived a boy named Thaddeus. With his sun-kissed skin, a smile that could light up the darkest nights, and an infectious zest for life, Thaddeus was known for his charm and striking features. Yet, like many young dreamers, he faced challenges. Growing up in a modest neighborhood, he faced uncertainty about his future. One day, while wandering through the bustling streets of his community, Thaddeus stumbled upon a fashion show in full swing. Enthralled by the artistry and confidence of the models strutting down the runway, an idea sparked within him: what if that could be me? With the support of his friends, he took his first steps into the world of fashion, practicing his poses in front of his grandmother's mirror and sketching designs in the margins of his school books. Thaddeus's big break came when a local photographer discovered him at a community event. Impressed by his natural charisma, the photographer invited him to a casting call for a major fashion brand. Nervous but determined, Thaddeus Golden walked into that room feeling the weight of his dreams. When he stepped onto the runway, he poured every ounce of his spirit into each step, captivating everyone in attendance. Months later, Thaddeus found himself modeling in Paris, New York, and Milan, his face gracing billboards across the globe. Yet, even amidst his success, he never forgot his roots. He established a foundation in Jamaica to help young aspiring models achieve their dreams, just as he had. From Kingston to the world, Thaddeus became a symbol of hope, proving that with courage, passion, and a little swagger, anyone could turn their dreams into reality.